Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset service on Tiguan Easy method. Park the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and sit in the driver's seat. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and make sure all doors are closed. Keep the instrument cluster active and avoid opening doors while performing the steps. Follow along slowly and repeat any step if the service reminder does not clear the first time. Use the arrow and OK buttons on the steering wheel to bring up the main menu in the instrument cluster and navigate to vehicle settings. Locate the service or inspection interval submenu that shows the remaining distance or days. Highlight the service reminder entry and press OK to enter its options, then select Reset or Confirm to clear the message. Wait for the display to update and show the new interval or zeroed service indicator before turning off the ignition. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more handy car tips. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle when working on the Tiguan because it keeps drinks cool and fits cup holders without slipping, making long detailing or troubleshooting sessions easier and more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. If the menu reset does not work, you can use the trip button method as an alternative. Turn the ignition off, then press and hold the trip reset button on the instrument panel. While holding the button, switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and keep holding until the service reminder flashes or resets on the display. Release the button and verify the message is cleared, then cycle the ignition to confirm the reset persisted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.